Highways are for the ordinary. Real adventure begins where the road ends. From monster trucks defying gravity to 4x4s battling brutal terrains, these machines prove that limits are meant to be broken. Whether it's scaling impossible rock formations, powering through deep mud, or taking on nature's toughest obstacles, these off-road beasts show what they're truly made of.
You're coming off right now. Stay that way.
Let it go.
Oh, fuck.
That's just your rock rail. You're good.
Strap in, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the most extreme off-road moments ever caught on camera. The icebreaker disaster. What happens when you trust a frozen lake a little too much? This driver finds out the hard way. Off-roading, gone wrong. No matter how experienced you are, some trails will always have surprises waiting for you. Mud pit mayhem. This truck thought it could power through deep mud, but nature had other plans.
Красиво. Ой, опасно.
Rally drivers who fear nothing. When high-speed racing meets treacherous off-road terrain, you get the most heart-stopping moments ever. An unstoppable monster truck. Watch in awe as this custom-built beast tears through the toughest obstacles. River crossing gone wrong. What starts as a fun off-road adventure turns into a sinking disaster. The broken axle challenge. Imagine losing control halfway up a steep climb. This driver's quick reaction is next level. Tesla, Cybertruck's real test. Can this futuristic electric beast handle the wild world of off-roading? Let's see if it holds up. Rock crawlers versus gravity. Ever seen a vehicle scale a vertical wall? These off-road warriors make it look easy. Climbing the impossible. This off-roader attempts a near-vertical climb, and what happens next will leave you stunned. The mudslide escape.
Whoops! Turn it up!
A driver gets trapped in a landslide, but his 4x4 proves why it's built for survival.
Buddy, okay?
Truck versus waterfall. A battle of steel against raging water. Can the truck make it through? The logging truck that refuses to quit. This heavy-duty vehicle carries logs through the most extreme conditions imaginable. Off-road machines. Doing real work. It's not all fun and games. Some of these machines work under conditions that would destroy regular vehicles. The Unbreakable engine. After an accident, this truck keeps running like nothing happened. Built to last. The overconfident driver. What starts as a smooth drive turns into an instant, what was I thinking? Moment. A 4x4 with a mind of its own. This truck decides it's done for the day, leaving its driver completely stranded. When off-roading meets karma, a driver shows off with a risky stunt and instantly regrets everything. The king of the trails, a machine built to dominate any surface, proves why it's the best in its class. An unexpected cliffhanger. A vehicle takes on an insane incline, but will it reach the top? A suspension test like no other. See what happens when a 4x4 takes on the wildest terrain imaginable. The deepest mud pit ever. This driver thought he could handle it, but now it's a battle to escape. The ultimate recovery mission. A vehicle on the verge of tipping over. Can the team save it in time?
1、2、3，一、二、三。手刹车往后面溜。先不要先起。慢慢的动，慢慢的动，不用这样，慢慢的，慢慢的，不要急，不要急，不要急。好，拿到一下。好，人走开，人走开。好，牧马人是没有问题的哈，好轻松的哈，不用担心。
Towing gone wrong. A simple rescue attempt turns into a full-blown catastrophe.
Just for this one, for the big one, what's something you think we should know about you? What do you think the 3,000 people, what's something interesting about you? I'm not retarded, but I like rocks. I just like how they feel, you know what I'm saying? They feel real good.
A high-speed off-road run turns into a sandstorm of mistakes. A gravity-defying save. Just when it seems like it's all over, this driver pulls off the comeback of a lifetime. The ultimate off-road test. A beast of a machine faces nature's toughest challenges. Does it survive? The Jeep that just won't stop. After taking a beating, this Jeep refuses to quit, proving why it's a true off-road king.
We want you on that rock edge first. Yep, there you go. Keep coming, keep coming. No, stay fast. Okay. I want you on that rock right there. There you go. Now come driver. Coming, a little bit faster. And I'll roll forward. Nice and easy. You have to cut up the hill now. As hard as you can. Yep, keep coming. Coming. Okay, right about there, stop.
Off-roading isn't just a sport, it's a battle between machine, terrain, and human skill. Some won, some lost, but every moment was unforgettable. Which of these moments blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more extreme off-road action.